Morning, it's shoot day today. We clearly haven't slept enough, but we're heading off to the studio. Jala is already on our way there with the pieces from the collection. Sabina, our model, will be coming, makeup artist, and I'll show you guys a space what it looks like when we get there. Your studio brought the dream to life.
That's what we do. We bring things to life.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I just watched back the edited footage that the team over at OnFire Visuals put together, and I realized, wait, I have not told these people the inspiration behind the collection, the fabrics, colors, and all that good stuff. I've not really shared all that info, so I thought to come here and just quickly share that with you guys. The collection is actually named Elo, which means shine in Yoruba. My hope and aim with the collection is to remind people that there is hope after you go through any type of loss, whether it's loss of a loved one, loss of an opportunity, loss of yourself. You know, it's something that we will all experience at some stage in our lives. As long as you're human and as long as you're alive, you definitely go through that experience. But through this collection, I want to remind people of how special they are, how loved you are, how amazing you are, and as long as there is life, there is hope. That is like the main message and the main inspo behind the collection. Hence why when we were thinking of colors, using like rich jewel tones just made a lot of sense, because those colors are like, you know, known to be associated with wealth and luxury and that feeling of like beauty in a grand sense. So you see a lot of jewel tone purples, reds. You see some blues, golds coming there in the jacquard fabric that we use. There's also some denim. And in terms of like the silhouette, of course, I'm bringing back my statement sleeve. That has become a staple in almost every collection I make. So you definitely see that in dress, outerwear, so I pay homage to that feature. The entire collection is going to be made to order, and we are opening our pre-order window from the 17th of April to the 28th of April. So during that time frame, you can place your orders for whatever piece that you like. That way, the whole experience is really exclusive, and you can customize certain parts of your garments when you place your order on the website. The last time I released a collection, you guys wanted accessories, so I listened to you, and we're coming back this time with some bags. These bags are made in denim, and they are actually shaped like the Kolanut. They were made by my sister, Aries Leather World in Nigeria. They really created this very beautifully crafted bag that has frayed edges to pay homage to, you know, the distress of loss, but still beautiful in its own way. And we've done this bag in two sizes. There is a maxi size, which is like could make a really good like weekend bag. It holds quite a lot. And then there is a smaller size, which is actually quite a decent size and can fit a lot of things in. But there are two sizes in the bag, and those bags are going to be available to order straight off the website compared to the clothing that is pre-order or made to order. I'm going to leave all links down below, so if you want to check out the collection and shop any of the pieces, you know where to find them as well. If you pre-order any of the items, you will receive them between 5 to 10 working days after launch day. The launch day is the 28th of April. So that way we have time to put all of the looks together and send it out to you guys. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I'm going to leave links down below, and let's get back into the rest of the journey of putting this collection together. At Woolcrest today, which is one of my places where I love to source fabrics when I am in the UK. We're trying to find some fabrics that we can combine with some of the designs. We tweaked a few of the dresses, so we need to find fabrics for them. And that's what we're doing here today. I didn't realize they even stocked bridal laces, but they do. So if you're looking for bridal fabrics, you know where to come. The bags have just arrived from Lagos. I'm going to open it and check. You can just tell that the box has been through it. Jeez. I think my next worry is they've squeezed the bags. I'm hoping that nothing has been damaged. Thankfully, it's fabric, so if it's a case of wrinkles or rumples, I can easily just like iron it out or steam it out. Dear God, please, people, I hope they've not spoiled my things for me. Or hey, whoa. Ooh, here's of sellotape did they use? Oh, here we go. So they've been tightly packed. Oh wow, this is nice. This is a Kolanut shape, by the way. For anyone wondering why the bags are shaped like this, we try to imitate the shape of a Kolanut with a line that goes through the middle of the Kolanut. Yeah, that's what this is. It's in denim, and we've added like a cushiony fabric with gold hardware. Oh, this is really nice. Wow. Oh, she even puts inside pockets on both sides. Oh, this is pretty. This is actually very pretty. It's a good size as well. This is a mini size. We've done the bag in 2 sizes. This is mini and the maxis are underneath, but they definitely need lots of steaming because they've been squeezed flat. So I'm going to steam them up and prepare them for the shoot coming up on Friday. Stay tuned for that. Morning, it's shoot day today. We clearly haven't slept enough, but we're heading off to the studio. It's a contest studio I used last year, and I have my photographer of the day. Hi George.
Hello.
Always making a cameo.
That's what I'm here for. Cameraman.
Joe is going to shoot the pictures and videos today. Jala is already on our way there with the pieces from the collection. Sabina, our model, will be coming. Makeup artist, and I'll show you guys a space what it looks like when we get there. It's somewhere in Ascot, but it's really like well lit, lots of white walls, white curtains, natural light as well. I'll see you guys when we get there. We have lights on this side, some chairs, pink feather tree sculpture, and then this like wall with a white curtain. That's the side I actually want to use. There is a couch on there, and there is a large mirror, carpet on the floor. That's another pretty corner as well. And then on this side, through the door, there is a kitchen. There is Sabine making us making us tea. There's a kitchen, and then there's a toilet through the door back there. But this is where we're going to make dreams happen. Are you excited, Mr. Brash? Mr. Brash, how are you feeling?
I feel okay.
I'm excited.
Yeah, I feel good.
Okay, I can't wait to see the magic you're going to work today.
Right.
You can never sleep in traffic. Cause living steady panic. I know cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits. Just like gadgets. You tell me with the 2 hands I'm too bad. Wonder what you think's I like.
Well, how do you feel about the collection, Janine? While you make your cup
Amazing.
noodles?
It's going really well, and yeah. So I didn't envision that it would be this great. But
Well,
it's
you
looking-
brought your studio brought the dream to life.
That's what we do. We bring things to life.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we bring designs to life. Yeah, it's been amazing. So the collection looks. Jamaica.
There's a little one here giving
Yes,
us.
so the collection looks amazing, and yes, so I can't wait to see the pictures, the videos, and then for us to launch the collection.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. How are you feeling?
Yeah, these feet, I mean, if they could talk right now.
What do you say?
Tears.
We're in our final look. Everything is looking stunning so far. Makeup, model, styling, even the space. It just marries really well together. I can't wait to show you guys the finished look at the end. I mean, you've already seen more or less what the pieces look like, but the collection will go live, I think, latest early May. Some pieces will be available to pre-order, some pieces will be like shop straight from the website, but I hope you guys love it as much as we did. A lot of love and effort went into this. Shout out to Team Jaola, who are pretending like, oh, we did not know it was going to look this nice, but they did an amazing job. So it's always cool when like the vision like materializes well into life. So thankful.